Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we've got a very interesting 5-pack and it's from Maisto, part of their fresh metal line. And if you don't know, these are like their main line or their basic line, and usually they don't have interiors. Some of them do, and basically they have some details. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So there are these 5 vehicles from the 5-pack, and they all seem to be commercial vehicles. None of them are cars or vans. And this is a school bus. This looks like a truck based on something like a Merc vans, I guess. Then there's a dump truck, a garbage truck, and an ambulance, which is again basically this based on the same truck. So let's start from the school bus, and then we'll move on the same pattern. So here's the first one, the school bus, and it's surprisingly heavier compared to normal Maisto fresh metal cars. This one is obviously a school bus, as it mentions on the side, School District 2. You get a stop sign which comes out on normal buses. Wheels, they look alright, they're nothing special, but they do look like the wheels you see on buses and trucks. In the front, typical school bus you see in North America. Headlamps and grille are there, but none of them are detailed. You do get both the mirrors and a rear mirror inside too. Now, on the driver's side, as we saw before, it does say School District 2. You have typical windows like a school bus, black bumper in the front, black bumper in the back, and that's all for the side. Now, coming to the rear, again you've got tail lamps which are not detailed. You do have your emergency exit and 2 windows on the side. On the passenger, I won't say passenger, or the side with the door, I guess, not the driver's side. Looks exactly same, but the difference, you've got this door which opens up to let students or people in. Now, unlike other fresh metal cars, this does have a full interior with all the seats from front to back, steering wheel and everything, which is surprising. And on the top you can see those 3, I think those are vents which can be opened, not sure. So yeah, it's actually a good casting. Now let's move to the next one. So this is the next one, which looks like a truck based on those vans you normally get. The front does have painted headlamp, blacked out grille, black bumper with fog lamps which are not painted. You also get both the mirrors, no windshield wiper. Windshield is blacked out, so the windows on the side, assuming this is the driver's side. You do get this sticker for the mechanic or auto shop. On the side you also can see the bed is finished in silver or gray. I think usually it's gray. You do have this rails on the side which you see on the commercial vehicles. Wheels obviously look smaller for the vehicle, but they do have smaller wheels. They don't have huge wheels, and they look alright here. Also on the side you can see there's the tank, which looks like a tank or a toolbox. Something's there, can't really figure out. Let's move to the rear. So on the rear, again, good details. You got painted tail lamp, you place a number plate, and the tailgate which opens up, so you have hinges there. It doesn't open on this casting in actual. Rear also has this window which is obviously blacked out. Now this part is metal, but the bed part is plastic. Now coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical, and if you look at the bottom, it actually has good details on the bottom too. You can see the exhaust and the drive shaft, so there are good details on the bottom, which you miss on Hot Wheels these days. On the top you can see the bed, it's all finished flat. Now let's move the third vehicle, which is a dump truck. So here's the dump truck, finished in all yellow. I think most of them are yellow or blue, I'm not sure. In the front you can see the grille, the headlamp, but none of them are painted or detailed. Windshield is blacked out, no mirrors or windshield wiper. On the driver's side you can see a door which opens up here, I guess. There's a step to climb in. Wheels, I'm not sure, but they do have the nut or the lug pattern there. I don't think they have this 5-spoke design normally, but not bad. Also on the side you can see this whole I will say the base or the flatbed on which the dump It is mounted. At the front part, the cabin part is metal, rest of it is plastic. And this does open up. As you can see, that's the platform. And this is the dump bin which opens up, obviously to dump stuff. On the rear, there's no tail lamp or anything or any kind of details, but you can see this opens. On the passenger side, looks almost identical. Don't see any major differences. Now let's move to the fourth one, which is a garbage truck. So here's the garbage truck, which is obviously different from the dump truck. It doesn't share the same cap. So this is finished in white with green dump bed, I guess. Not the dump bed, the garbage bed, but with the garbage box it is. You do get both the mirrors and looks like windshield wiper. I don't know, might not be. But again, you can see the headlamp place or position, but it's not detailed, neither the number plate or grille. On the driver's side, you do have this one big window, door handle, wheels which look like multi-spoke. Somebody modified it. Normally trucks don't get these kind of wheels, especially garbage truck. You do have step to climb in, and this whole piece is finished in green. Also you can see the I think the fuel tank and some more details. There is mud flap in the front and in the back, and this you can see all the design here which helps it to open up, I guess. And you have this black marking on the side. On the rear, I don't see any place for tail lamp, but I think these are lights on the side which are like mounted on the top, so you can see it from behind. And I think those are red, I'm not sure. And this says a recycle sign or garbage sign, I'm not sure, but yeah, you get this on the back. On the passenger side, looks almost identical, can't really see any difference. And this is how it looks from the top. I'm assuming these might be extra lights on the top. Since it's black tinted, you can't really see interior, and I don't think these even come with interior. Now let's move to the last one, which is an ambulance. So here is the ambulance, and it seems like it's based on the same truck which we saw before. So the cab is the same, and you do get painted headlamp, blacked out grille, lower bumper which is black, place for fog lamp, both the mirrors. Looks good. Obviously it's finished in red. On the driver's side, you have door handle and this paint with white stripes 911 and says Eastville Fire and Rescue. So it's a ambulance for fire department, I guess. You do have this doors on the side which opens up to get in. Blacked out windows everywhere. Can't see the interior. The cab is metal, but this rear box is plastic. Wheels, they look alright here. They don't look bad. On the side, you also have the lamps, the blue one, the blue lights, which you also have in the front. I think ambulance flashes those when they are in a rush. On the back, nice details actually. Painted tail lamp, painted turn indicator, extra lights in the back, blacked out windows, door handles are also blacked out, and some more lights on the top, and a step there too to climb in. So good details in the back actually. And I was gonna say passenger side, but kind of. So on this side, it's different from the other side. There's no door here. You have this small door which I think is for equipments. There is a window but no door, and a blue emergency lamp on the top. You also have some small openings here, I think again for some tools. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So good details there. Overall, I think it looks really nice, especially without the interior. So yeah, this was the fifth car or fifth vehicle, not the car, actually the truck. Fifth vehicle from the 5-pack. I think it's a decent 5-pack. I do like 3 vehicles out of it, but the dump truck also has moving parts, so can't complain much. And these are obviously not as detailed as Matchbox or Hot Wheels, but they have some good points. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.